Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to this special and exciting video. For the last few days, I have been advising people not to buy options in a high volatile environment. During the high volatile environment, option premiums tend to be very high. If you are a skilled person and doing intraday option buying, that is okay. But you want to carry the position for many days, option buying, and that is very risky. Say for example, 6,100 is the least possible strike trading in Nifty option. Even that 6,100 put option was trading around 240 rupees in the month of April, just few trading session ago. Now I think it must be trading around 10-12 rupees. Such is the fast depreciation of the prices. When I said this, some people sarcastically ask me, "Sir, you say don't buy option, but you are an option seller. How much money you made?" Just to give a reply to them, I am going to show you one of my accounts and how much money I made. But before showing that, let me caution you. Number one, I am not here to show off anything. Number two, do not trade something like this, because my capital, my risk appetite are totally different. And I am just showing this just to show you how high VEX environment, even doing less volume, an option seller make very good money and an option buyer lose heavily. That was the sole purpose. So otherwise, always remember, you make more profit only when you take high risk. The data I am going to show, they are all high risk trades, and I will not advise any one of you to take this kind of risk, because for sure you are not P R Sundar. Now I will take you to my back office report. I am trading in with one broker called Zebu. Is a Chennai based broker. So this is his website, and I am going to log in to my back office portal, and this is a client portal. Here I have entered the username and password, and I am signing in. Okay. When I'm signing in, you can see welcome, this client code, and Oyarvu Securities Private Limited. Actually, this company belongs to my son. And many of you who have attended my workshop should know this, because many of you would have transferred your workshop fee to this company account. Here, first let me show you the ledger. And the ledger is actually showing 1 crore 40 lakh rupees. Okay, I'll come back to this ledger little later. Okay, I'm going to show you the global profit and loss statement. So global profit and loss statement will give you the profits of booked position as well as the profit of open position M to M. Here I have to choose derivative. Okay, here I have to choose 1/4/2020, just to show this financial year. Until this due date, it doesn't matter. Okay, we have to consider option premium opening rate as well as option premium closing rate, and click view to get the data. And here you can see, I will show you just one equity option, put option, IndusInd Bank, 800 quantity. I sold at 22 rupees 52 pice. That's a net rate. This figure is showing odd because it's getting adjusted with the brokerage. Probably I might have sold 22 rupees 60 pice, and after brokerage they are showing 22.52. Net amount collected is this much, about 18,000. Yesterday its closing price is 4 rupees 30 pice. So my M2M profit will be 22.52 minus 4.3 times 800. So that is what it is reflected here as a notional. If it is booked profit, entire profit will be shown here. If it is a M2M profit, only the M2M profit will be shown here under the head notional. Okay, just to show you what kind of risk I have taken. Look here. To show you what kind of risk I have taken, I am just giving you one simple example. Look at equity option, put option, Bajaj Finance. It is not showing very clearly here, so we need to click details. If you click details, you can see it's a 2300 put option. I just sold it yesterday. Yesterday, it fell more than 10%. It was trading around 2300. So what I did, I sold at the money put option. So how many lots I have sold? I have sold 4 lots. And selling rate is 220 rupees. So that means 1000 into 220, I have collected 2,20,000 rupees. So we have another 12 trading session. If another 12 trading session, if Bajaj Finance moves higher, not closing below 2300, and the entire 2,20,000 will be my profit. So this is the kind of risk I have taken. So before going to this, let me show you something else. This is the calendar. April month started on Wednesday, 1st of April, one trading session. 2nd of April, Ramanavami is a holiday. 3rd is a second trading session. Then Saturday, Sunday holiday. 6th, Mahavir Jayanti is again holiday. Then 7, 8, 9, 3 trading session. So 2 plus 3, 5 trading session. And then Good Friday holiday. Then again Saturday, Sunday holiday. Then Monday. So there were only 6 trading session over in the month of April. Okay, now let us go back to this thing. Let us look at the notional. Notional means is the total profit. It has come in the ascending order of the figure. So you can see today morning when I posted, somebody tweeted saying, sir, you will show only the profit, you will not show the loss. An option trader, especially the person doing the hedging, there will always be some losses. So there will be some positions which will be losing, some positions which will be gaining. What matters at the end of the day, if the profits are more than the loss, the net figure will be plus. So you can see in some positions, I have even lost nearly 1,75,000, 1,46,000, 1,28,000, 95,000. So first thing is that it is not that we always make profit, we also lose. But overall, whether we are making profit or loss, that is the matter. It does not matter whether you lose one position or gain one position. And you cannot be correct all the time. So you can see the notional, okay, at the end of the row, you can see there is a profit of 44,85,000, which is around 45 lakh rupees. Now come back to the ledger statement. I told you the ledger is 1 crore 40 lakhs. That 1 crore 40 lakhs is including this 45 lakhs of profit, which means on April 1, when I started, my capital is only about 95 lakh rupees. Look, April 1 until today, there are only 6 trading sessions. 6 trading session, capital 95 lakhs and profit is 45 lakh, which is almost 50% return in a matter of 6 trading session, which means making almost 5 to 6% a day, maybe more than that. It's around 7-8% per day. So how this has happened? There are 2 things. One is the volatility helped me very much. Volatility index fell from about 86, 85 to around 50-51. That is one thing. Second thing, my view of the market. So I have taken a view and that view has helped me. Right now, I can just show you what are my open positions. Forget about the closed position. Right now, what positions I'm holding. As I mentioned earlier, almost everybody is talking about market falling, market crashing, market testing the 7,500 low. Even today also somebody tweeted, there's one big fund manager from UK. He said if the lockdown extended, Nifty will be testing the low again and all those kind of things. But look at my position. I just did only 2 stock options. One is Bajaj Finance and one is IndusInd Bank. Forget about it. That's very small quantity. But look at for the weekly option that is going to expire this Thursday. I have 9,400 call option 5 lots. 9,500 call option 5 lots. 8,200 put option 10 lots. 8,500 put option 10 lots. So these 4 positions are only weekly positions. The rest look here. June month expiry, 7,000 put option. I sold 10 lots and look at my selling price, 475 rupees. 470 rupees. And then look at May. May month, 6,500 put option. I sold around 210 rupees, which actually closed at 80 rupees yesterday. And look at May month, 7,000 put option, sold at 324 rupees, which closed at 117. And you can see that though I have taken a slightly bullish view, I did not go and sell the option at one strike. And look, I have sold 6,500, 7,000, 7,500, 7,300, 7,400, 7,500, 7,800, 8,500. So I spread my risk across the strike prices. And also some put options I sold in April, some in May, and some in June. And of course, some in weekly options also. Okay. So as I said, I have spread my risk across the strike prices and across the expiry dates. So I've shown you this video just to inspire you, just to show you the potential of the stock market. But definitely I will not advise you to take this kind of directional aggressive views. My question is that why do you have to make 50% profit in 6 trading sessions? It's not necessary. The people who have got the skill, who know how to manage the risk, you let them do it. And you do what you can do it. And you must be happy as long as you are not losing the money in stock market. And once again, remember, 99% of the traders lose money in stock market and 95% of the people. When I say 95% of the people, that includes investors and traders, lose money in stock market according to a research. So stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching. Thank you.